Hi, today I'll show you how to delete multiple tweets on X quickly and easily using CircleBoom Twitter. Let's get started. First, log into CircleBoom Twitter. On the left-hand menu, go to the My Tweets section and click on Delete My Last Tweets. CircleBoom will display all your tweets in one place, along with engagement stats like likes, retweets, and impressions. From here, you can select the tweets you want to delete, whether it's old tweets, low-performing ones, or those you no longer like. CircleBoom makes it easy to pick multiple tweets at once. Once you've selected the tweets, CircleBoom will show you the total number of tweets you've chosen to delete. Simply click Delete Selected and then confirm by clicking Delete Tweets. In just seconds, CircleBoom will remove them from your profile. Need more precision? Use CircleBoom's advanced filters to refine your selection. Filter tweets by date to delete older content. Remove tweets by engagement stats, like low likes or retweets. Delete tweets based on language, media, or even replies and retweets. With CircleBoom's bulk delete feature and powerful filters, cleaning up your X profile is quick, efficient, and stress-free. Give it a try, and don't forget to subscribe for more CircleBoom tutorials. Say goodbye to old tweets and hello to a clean, polished profile.